Good morning and welcome back to Old School Studios. Today we're in Unit 12, revamping it after the previous tenant of 6 months completely destroyed the place. New bathroom floor again. Had to take the vanity out, so that's going to have to get hooked back up. The toilet, I just picked up a new wax ring, that's going to get hooked back up. I got to do something with this threshold right here. Got this piece of linoleum flopping, I got to do something with that. The toilet will go back in. They destroyed the kitchen faucet. I took it all apart, lubed it. It can't be fixed. I'm gonna swap it out with a new Delta. And we're gonna get started with this now. Alright, like always, I'm going to pull this aerator off here. And I don't want any of that shit getting down. All that little black shit gets clogged in the screen. And we don't want this thing clogged up. We want full optimum pressure. Okay, kitchen sink complete. On to no leaks. I'll check for leaks later. I'll do a test here. I'll fill this up. Oh, I probably can't. Someone stole the, oh, there it is, the plug. Alright, so we'll do that later. Now I'm going to work on getting this vanity screwed to the wall, getting my water lines and my drain hooked back up. And let's get started with that now. now I'm going to take this Ote Johnny ring. This is the jumbo, the biggest one that you could get. And it has the black rubber that goes down into the shithole. So without further ado, let's get this ripping. Alright, so I cut the formica, or not the formica, the linoleum flush with that marble threshold, and I put a new piece of trim molding on the face. And other than the mirror that's not on site, we're done with this. And the previous tenant stole the mirror, or broke it and threw it away, one or the other. Tomorrow I'll be down in the boiler room fixing a leak in the on the unit 5 above the boiler room. I could see it dripping down onto the boiler, and we're going to finally address that. Got to fix an end table for one of our guys who, it's just a long story, his end table broke and it was the fault of one of our people, so we're going to go fix it for him. And I'll probably be back here at some point. Thank you for watching Old School Studios. Please hit like and subscribe. Have a good day.